you're using an Android device and use the Gmail account to send and receive your mail and then suddenly find that there is a problem, then follow this advice to see if you can get things back on track. Open your Gmail app and click the what we call it the hamburger menu on the top left hand corner, the 3 bars. Click on there, scroll to the bottom and choose Settings. From the list that appears, choose the email account that you're having the problem with. Scroll to the bottom of that screen, you'll see 2 options, incoming settings and outgoing settings. We're going to check both of these. First, click the incoming settings, and in the window that appears, we want to walk through the options that are shown. So the username is info@itr8.co.uk in our case. In your case, it would be the full email address, and that's the username. Password is as shown. What you can do, if you're unsure whether it's the correct password, is click the X button and then click Add Authentication. Once you type in the password again, just to make sure, you type in our case, what that also does is it gives you an opportunity to show, hide or reveal the password to make sure that it is the right one. The server should be mail.whatever your domain name is. So in our case, it's mail.itr8.co.uk. The last 2 are where the problems generally happen. You want port 143 and security type of none. If that's different, start by changing the security type to none first and then change the port to 143. Then click done and it will validate. Then try to do the same for outgoing settings. Click on outgoing settings and in the pop-up that appears, again, username, password should be the full email address and the password, the same password that you use all the way through. The SMTP server, again, mail.whatever your domain name is. Now, again, at the bottom, you're looking for security type of none. If it's anything else, make sure you change it to none. And sometimes it defaults to port 587. That's incorrect. You want to make sure the port is number 25 and then click on done. This is a tip that generally will clear 95% of the problems that you're facing with an intermittent error on your Gmail app. Hopefully you find this useful. Many thanks. Bye bye.